Okay, so let's get started with HTML. So the objective of this lesson will be you're going to download a text editor. You're going to open the text editor and construct the HTML document, and then you're going to create your first web page and preview it on a browser. So what is a text editor? So as the name suggests, a text editor is an application that allows you to edit text. There are so many different text editor applications out there, but the text editor that we're interested in has web development in mind. So what this means is that these text editors will allow you to write your web code, then preview what you have written in a browser. So there are loads of text editors out there, but just to name a few, we have Brackets, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom. But for the purpose of this lesson and for the remainder of the course, we're going to be using Brackets. So let's download Brackets. Okay, so what you need to do is open up your browser, and in the address bar, I want you to type in brackets.io. So once you're on the Brackets website, you'll see a blue button, which is download Brackets 1.13. So if you're doing this course, maybe in a couple of months time from now, you might see that it's a different version, but don't worry about it, just download it regardless. And once you have done that, we're going to be continue on with the next steps in the next session. See you then.